Unless you own a light-powered watch like the Citizen EcoDrive, the occasional battery change is just a fact of life. Let me show you how a professional changes a watch battery. In order to have the right size, we stock 62 different watch battery sizes, from the 2430 Lithium 3 volt to the 317 silver oxide 1.5 volt. Before ever opening the back of a watch, you must ensure you don't contaminate the interior with debris that builds up around the edges of the watch back. A grain of sand would look like a 10-ton boulder to the microscopic gears in a quartz watch. Loosen buildup with a round toothpick and then brush the entire surface with a stiff toothbrush. Different watches have different methods of removing the watch back. The most common uses a slight protrusion that sticks out from the edge of the back, usually above the winding crown. The underside of the protrusion has a space an industrial razor blade will fit under. After inserting the blade, raise the back side of the blade and the back should pop open. Another method is the screw-down back. A special case wrench inserted into the slots enables the back to be unscrewed. A variation is the Rolex-style screw back that requires a special case wrench set from Rolex. A third type is to use small screws around the outer edges of the back. A high-strength jeweler's screwdriver set can remove the screws without slippage and stripping the tiny screw heads. Once the back has been loosened, rebrush the edges. You'll see more debris. Then remove the back. If the movement is covered by a protective cover, remove it crown side first. Most watches have a spacer around the edges of the movement. If the spacer blocks removal of the battery, remove it stem side first. If it doesn't block removal, leave it in place. Examine how the battery is held in place. Usually, there's a space to insert a sharp probe and pry the battery out. If a bar spring covers the top edge of the battery, insert the probe into the hole provided and move the bar away from the battery edge. The battery will pop up. Use tweezers to remove it. Straps and screws. High-end brands usually have a retainer strap to ensure the battery can't be shaken out of place. Some only require a loosening of the screw and then moving the strap aside. Others require removal of the strap and screw. Draw the line here. Some of these require a professional touch. The straps have spring tension and the screws are tiny. A strap can propel a screw into Never Never Land. Check the numbers stamped on the flat positive side. Numbers in the 300s are silver oxide. CR followed by 4 numbers is of 3-volt lithium. A battery number preceded with SR is silver oxide, and a conversion chart is at batteriesinaflash.com/info. Then click on Watch Battery. Install the new battery and replace any holding device. Turn it over and check to see if it's running. Filling up the tank won't make a blown engine run. Sometimes the battery isn't the problem. Before replacing the back, place a clean thumb over the movement and brush any debris from the edges of the case. Blow the debris out. Now remove the O-ring from the watch back and wash it with warm soap and water. Dry and apply silicone grease to the gasket. Replace the gasket. Make sure the notch in the lip is centered over the stem, then close the case. Some watch cases have very tight tolerances and can't be closed using your thumbs. A case press is called for. Don't even attempt pliers or a hammer. Take it to a pro. We set the time with the Citizen EcoDrive AT that's synchronized with the atomic clock in Boulder, Colorado. The AT also reads the correct date from that signal. We guarantee our batteries for 3 years, and most watches will go that long between battery changes. Seriously consider a light-powered watch, then all of this fuss will be a thing of the past.